Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Pond's Vitamin B3 Face Wash. First, make sure your hands are clean to avoid transferring any impurities to your skin. Then, gently splash your face with lukewarm water, ensuring your entire face is damp. This prepares your skin for optimal cleansing. Next, dispense just a small, pea-sized amount of the face wash into the palm of your hand, which is usually about 1 to 2 milliliters. Once you have the face wash in your palm, rub your hands together to create a rich, foamy lather. This helps activate the cleansing ingredients. Now, gently apply this lather all over your damp face and neck. Using your fingertips, massage your skin in small, upward circular motions for approximately 30 seconds. Remember to be gentle and avoid the sensitive area around your eyes. After a thorough massage, it's time to rinse. Use cool or lukewarm water to completely wash off the face wash from your face and neck. Make sure there are no suds or residue left behind, as this can irritate your skin. Once rinsed, gently pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid any harsh rubbing, as this can pull at your skin and cause unnecessary irritation. Using Pond's Vitamin B3 Face Wash regularly can offer several benefits. It helps to brighten your skin and can visibly reduce the appearance of dark spots over time, promoting a more even skin tone. For optimal results, incorporate this face wash into your routine twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Always follow up with your favorite moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.